Hi guys, welcome back. So I just listened to the Space Punks Twitter space, and they were talking about their roadmap. The roadmap is right here. So this is for November. They're doing the updated roadmap. They're interested in the metaverse and sandbox. They're thinking about getting into Immutable X because that is a space where Disney has gone, TikTok has gone, and there's no gas. I was looking up the Immutable X token. There was some kind of a token that sold out on Coinbase, I think, to fund the project, which is kind of like a genius idea. They're also interested in tokenomics and game development, which I think is going to be really good for their brand. Any type of like gaming or utility that can be used with all these characters. Like they have this whole story. Like why not? Especially since Avagachi is doing so well, it seems like NFT gaming is going to be what brings a project to the next level. Maybe. Um, they're doing merch, so that's really interesting. I've gotten a lot of NFT NYC merch. I just got my Aped Out Remix merch, so I'm excited to have this colorful Space Punks merch. They're going to do that on the website. They're burning the clones, I think, still. Um, they're in December, they're going to talk about the pension token strategy. And then this is the second part for 2022. They're going to come to NFT NYC and they're looking into the party, and they were right, like the parties that were at NFT NYC, like I saw pictures from Creatures, I saw pictures from Board Ape Yacht Club, from Cool Cats, like having a party and having your holders there and making it special for them. And this is a form of giving utility to the community. You're basically rewarding us for holding or rewarding us for joining, and pretty much NFT NYC is has that party factor to it where you can meet and greet and talk. So I'm very excited for that. Love that. Dino Gaming, Sandbox. I don't know a lot about the Sandbox, but it might be related to NFT gaming. I'm not sure. Tokenomics implementation, Dino animated traits. So they're going to have meetups. They're having a meetup in LA, their first meetup. So if they have a New York City meetup, I'll be there. Um, and then I noticed, so one of the questions that I asked was like, I met with all these, like, I listened to all the legal talks at NFT NYC, all the concerns for securities and stuff. And, like, kind of what research did they do in terms of, like, whether the ETH drops or whatever are okay, right? What is the, what was the legal process, or what did they learn? What did they research? And the whole know your customer thing about collecting social securities, one of the things that they said, which was like duh, like so cool that I hadn't even considered, is that it's like how do people want us to like collect social securities when this is a worldwide market space. Like there are people buying stuff that don't have social securities. Like so I don't know how they want it to work. I guess it would only work for US what's it called? US buyers. But then like how does it work for international people? I don't get it. I don't get how everyone wants the tax implementations to be done. But I'm very excited to see what happens across the space, for this reason. I also talked about like grants and whether there could be grants or scholarships. Like that seems like a harmless thing in a form to give back to the community. They are going to have weekly trivia stuff where they're giving cash prizes or ETH. I'm not good at trivia, so I don't know if I'm going to be taking part in that, but I would apply for like a scholarship. Like I mentioned how I wanted an iPad so I could draw NFTs. So I don't know if they're going to do that thing, but it was something that I mentioned. So hopefully that will help people as well. And then moving on, I also noticed there's a change in the token dynamics. So Loopy Donuts, they dropped their website where you could explore about like all these different things, all the projects, the ecosystem. It's called Loopy Land. There's going to be Loopy Babies or Baby Donuts or whatever it is. But this is an important part. Chill, which is the token, is not an investment and has no economic value. So you're earning 10 chill tokens per day, but I don't know what that means. It's becoming universes. It's not you're getting money for stuff like by whole Jesus, this dog. By holding this NFT, you're getting a token. It seems like tokenomics are okay somehow as long as they don't have an economic value. where like I wonder if the future is going to be something like, you hold your NFT, you're getting tokens, and if you have XYZ tokens, you can have another NFT, maybe like that, like you'll be able to buy stuff within the ecosystem. um Even that would be worth it, right? If you're holding a certain amount of tokens, and it's like whatever, I don't know how it would be calculated, but 500 tokens gets you another NFT. I would do that. I would get another NFT, because technically you can then sell that if you wanted to for real money. And it's like, I don't know. So I'm excited to see how this works. I thought these tokens had economic value or monetary value. No, it's just within their own universe. So that's interesting. When Space Punks during their thing was talking about Disney getting into Immutable, I looked into it and I found this, and it was like, or they're on VEVE, I think. Yeah, VEVE. So another utility, free Disney with your NFT. So let's look at this. Um, Disney NFT collection offers digital statues inspired by beloved stories and moments from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and more. Every customer in select markets who purchases an NFT from the Golden Moments collection will receive a 3 or 12-month of Disney Plus courtesy of VEVE. So I don't know. Very interesting. So this is dropping on VEVE. So pretty much today, between today and 4 days from now, the 12th. And then this is where I posted the Immutable X token that I think was the funding for this platform of like Ethereum 2.0 with the free minting. I also noticed that the Space Punks floor is coming back to 0.18, 0.20. So it looks like the NFTs are like, the wave is like, the bear market has ended maybe, and we're coming back up. I'm not sure. And there was one more thing. Crypto Mori's also went up. It was at like 0.06 yesterday. Now it's at 0.13. So I think some of the projects that are like better known are taking a turn. And then I also saw this, that Nike is getting into the metaverse. So it seems like since Facebook has, said that they're becoming meta and they are working on this whole metaverse thing, a lot of other companies are like, okay, this is not a joke. This is not stupid JPEGs anymore. This is actually another, like, a world is being created here in the crypto space. So it's exciting to see what happens with that. And I think that's it for now. So if you had fun watching this, leave a comment. Remember to like the video and subscribe, and let me know what your thoughts are on anything. Okay, bye.